Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device, unlike a charger. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have one of those, either the paperclip or your tool, you can then find your tray at the top, either right or left side, depending if it's folded or unfolded. So it's basically in the part of the, just consider it unfolded on the left side, top side right here. So right here you'll have a tiny little hole, and push your little pin in here, and you'll see that the tray pops out. There we go. And from here you can just yank it out. Now we do have space for two different SIM cards, which is surprising. I'll be occupying just a single one. So you can place one of these cards on here or both. The card is being held in place, faintly, but good enough, I guess. So anyway, from here, I'm just gonna insert it back, though when you place a card like this, you do have to flip it over, if the device is folded, obviously. Now, if the tray isn't going all the way, don't cram it in there by force. Just take it out, make sure that the tray didn't, or the card didn't pop out of its place. Now, once you have that inserted, the card, as you can see, it automatically starts working. And that's it. So, there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.